President Cyril Ramaphosa is meeting with the leadership of Nehawu. For the latest now on this, let us cross to our SABC News reporter, Natasha Phiri. Natasha, very good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for coming through. So what's the latest regarding this meeting? What do we know up to so far?
Well, very good afternoon to you, Balis, and of course to our SABC viewers. All we know right now is that the president and the leadership of the National Education, Health and Allied Workers Union, Nehawu, have been locked behind closed doors. We know that this meeting actually started at 12 o'clock, and we're not so sure if it actually has, concluded. But just perhaps to take you and the viewers back as to how this meeting came about. On Monday, the union had a picket with its members outside the union buildings, and they had vowed to not leave the union buildings until the president had actually responded to their demands. If you'll remember properly, on the 3rd of September, earlier on this month, Nehawu had actually submitted a memorandum to the president. And of course, the picket was a culmination of the president not responding to that memorandum. So, of course, those members of Nehawu were actually angry, hence the picket on Monday. But we eventually saw then the minister in the presidency, Jackson Tembo, coming out addressing union members, saying that the meeting will actually take place today. And top of the agenda of these meetings, is the issue of a wage increase. If you remember properly, Nehawu, members had been asking for an 8% wage increase. They also asked for better working conditions, more especially now under, issues of COVID-19, dealing with this global pandemic, which has actually claimed thousands of lives in the country. They also had demanded, personal protective equipment, especially for frontline workers, also demanding on top of that, a better working treatment for the frontline workers, more especially when it comes to COVID-19. Some had raised complaints that they were actually denied an opportunity to self-isolate. Some were denied an opportunity to actually get access to PPEs. And they had said that this actually needs to come to an end. So it'd be quite interesting to hear what, the outcomes of this meeting actually are. And we of course, we're waiting for the presidency, perhaps a statement from the presidency soon